The UGG Tasman II Slippers have completely stolen my heart and become the one pair I literally cannot live without anymore. They're just that good in every single way imaginable. Right from the very first slip-on you're hit with this incredible wave of softness because of the thick 17mm twin-face sheepskin lining that feels like the most luxurious cloud hugging your feet, warm, cozy, and oh so gentle against bare skin without ever making them sweaty or stuffy, even if you wear them for hours straight through lazy weekends, movie marathons, or chilly winter evenings in the house. What I adore most about this updated version is how much more refined and stylish they've made it compared to the classic Tasman. The buttery suede upper has this gorgeous rich texture and subtle sheen that looks way more expensive and put together. The iconic UGGbraid collar isn't just cute decoration, it adds such an effortlessly chic braided accent that instantly elevates the whole vibe, turning these from basic house shoes into something you can proudly wear with joggers, oversized sweaters, cropped jeans, or even throw on for a quick coffee run without feeling underdressed. The low heel cutout is genius because it means no fumbling or bending over. You just slide your foot in and out super smoothly, which is perfect when your hands are full or you're half asleep shuffling to the kitchen for tea. Underfoot, the sugarcane-based EVA footbed is surprisingly supportive with nice cushioning and a gentle arch that cradles your feet so well I forget I'm even wearing slippers. My feet stay happy and fatigue-free all day long, whether I'm standing, cooking, cleaning, working at my desk, or just lounging on the couch. And don't even get me started on the outsole. The grippy rubber tread gives confident traction on tile, wood, laminate, and even short outdoor walks to grab the mail or take out the trash without any scary slips or worrying about ruining them. They clean up easily with a damp cloth, and after months of near daily wear they still look almost brand new. No fraying, no flattening, no ugly scuffs, just beautifully broken in perfection. They hit that sweet spot between serious warmth for cold mornings and breathability, so they don't overheat your feet in slightly milder weather, making them way more versatile than heavy winter-only styles I've tried before. Honestly, putting these on feels like a tiny self-care ritual every single time. They instantly melt away stress, make me feel pampered, relaxed, and somehow more stylish at the same time. They've raised my standards for what slippers should be, and now nothing else compares. If you're on the fence about splurging on the Tasman II, just do it. They deliver on every bit of the UGG reputation, and then some. You'll thank yourself every single day, I promise.